Welcome to Upstart Press. In this video, I will show you how to recover Facebook account easily. If you forgot your Facebook password or recovery email or phone number, then let's see how can we recover Facebook account. I'll go to Facebook. So this is the Facebook account that we have to recover and we don't know its password. So I have opened that account's profile. After that, I'll press three dots at the top right. And this is the full profile link. You can copy the link by using copy link button. I'll cut the part till facebook.com/ and keep the rest, the username. This is the username for this account. So I'll open another browser window. Let's use Firefox. You can also use Opera Mini. You can download these browsers from Play Store. So here, go to facebook.com. Open in Facebook app. No, cancel. Open here in web browser. From browser settings, make sure to use desktop version of Facebook. So turn on desktop site. Okay, now it's asking email address or phone. Let's say you don't remember what was your email address that you registered with Facebook, and you don't remember phone number as well. Because we all have multiple email addresses and phone numbers, right? It is normal. So what to do here then? Well, press forgot password link below login button. They will say, okay, let's find your Facebook account. And then they'll ask email or phone again. But we don't know which one was that. So we won't use mobile number or email address here, but we will use username instead that you got from here. So basically, I am acting as a friend for that person who lost his or her Facebook account. So I logged into my Facebook account and viewed his or her profile. And from there, I got the username. Now I am helping him or her recover his or her Facebook account. So I got the username that I'll type here. After typing username here, not mobile number, not email address, but username that we got from Facebook profile. Press continue. Now we have some options to proceed with. We have some clue on what the email address was for this account and what was the phone number. The owner of this account can have idea about the email address and the phone number that was used with this account. So it's highly likely that owner of this account will remember either email address or phone that was used to register the Facebook account. So here I can use the email address or phone number to get the code that will help us to log in to this account. So let's use email address or phone to get the code. And you'll be logged into that Facebook account. And here they will tell you to create new password. Create new password to secure your account. Continue. And we are back into our Facebook account. So this is how you can recover Facebook account on mobile easily. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.